wait for your turn to shine. Nobody checking for me, I had to earn the mind. Said I couldn't win cause I'm odd and I'm not following trends. So it's odd how I came out on top in the end. Cause you finna die if you sit and wait for your turn to shine. Nobody checking for me, I had to earn the mind. Said I couldn't.
What's going on YouTube? It's your girl Lady J. And today I'm bringing you guys a highly requested video. But it's gonna be a little raw, uncut, little bootleg because it's just me by myself, so I can't have someone actually record it. So I got a mirror here, camera here, and if y'all see my setup and what I got it set up on, so it could be high so you guys can see, you guys will be cracking up laughing. And then I always keep this mirror here every day. So yeah, we'll be doing the L'Oreal Highlights color red. That's the color I have. As you can see, it's like brassy, like faded, and I have a really dope haircut. So your girl gotta take care of it. Okay, you're gonna need your old beat up t-shirt, holes, all that. It don't matter because this stains. Also, I recommend you wash it in like your kitchen sink, like if you have stainless steel, or if you have stainless steel in your bathroom, okay, well, I have stainless steel in the kitchen because it doesn't stain. If you have white sinks in your bathroom or like in your shower, of course, you could do it, but it is going to stain, and if you're going to do it, I recommend you using bleach right away to get it up, because if you don't, it will stain for weeks at a time. Okay, and this is for dark hair only. If you have light hair, do not do this because you will look like a clown. Yeah. What else? I'm thinking about something else I had to tell you guys. I don't know. Okay, so we got the color red. Now, sometimes, not this time, but sometimes I'll mix a red and magenta. Like, if you want like a red but like with a little bit like a pink in it, you could do, hold on, I'll show you. Hold on, you guys. Sometimes I do it. Okay, you see red here, and then if you want like a little like a pink, like a reddish pinkish, like really cute, fun summer springtime color, you can mix it with magenta. I have done magenta by itself. Magenta by itself is really pink. I mean, I do love bright, loud colors. Y'all know I don't care. I've done my hair red, pink, purple, all that, and I think I want to do dark purple next. Like when it gets closer to fall, like do this purple and keep this black. Like I think that'll be like super dope. Yeah, my son just got his haircut today, and I talked to his barber, and I got a super dope haircut for my birthday, so y'all be on the lookout for that. Alright, I'm just talking. Okay, so let me put this down because I don't want to do magenta right now. Okay, so we got a red. Because my hair's short now, I only need one box, but most people will probably use 2 boxes, and it's $5.49. Okay, you need your 30 volume. I'm natural, so my hair can take it. I can even go 40, but that's just too much. Oh, I like glossy. It's hot, y'all. If you're relaxed, 20 or 30, but 30 is gonna give you the better color. But do you want your hair to be on the safe side, or you want to risk it falling out? Like, it's up to you. But if you're relaxed, just be careful. Sorry guys, got a phone call. Okay, but anyway, like I was saying, if you're natural, you can do 30 or 40. If you're gonna do 40, it's cool, but just watch it, you know, because you don't want to over process your hair. Now what I'm thinking about is leaving the sides dark, guys, right? And then just doing the middle, because if I do dye the sides, it's going to be pointless, because when I get it cut, it's just going to come right off, and then you're just going to see black. I don't know, but trying to just get it in the lines without getting on the black, I'm going to try. But if I get it on the sides, then I'm just going to do the whole thing. But I'm going to try to do just this. So you guys are going to be getting the side view, front view, because the mirror is here. Alright, so we about to mix up our colors. Okay. So, oh, make sure you have on gloves, because like this stuff, it's beautiful, but it stains. You're going to take your cap. Here, you're going to pop it. Here's your color. Your mixing bowl. Yo, my phone has been blowing up. Like, I accepted this one person's friend request today, right? Happy Tuesday to you guys. Hold up, my son doing something. Joel? Boy? Yeah, so I told y'all this is wrong. Cut. This is your girl, Lady J. Okay, I gotta put this down. I accepted one person's friend request today, right? And this never happened in my entire life. I got 100 friend requests in 3 hours. I swear to you, I have never. I'm like, what the heck? Now I'm regretting even adding this person because now I'm getting people from all over. And it's not a problem, you know, but then they're messaging me like, hey, baby, can I, you know, all that stuff like that. But no, it's like I'm telling you, my phone was going off all day long. But anyway. Y'all hate that you add one person and then that person, friends be adding you like a whole busload of them. Alright, I'm just talking. I'm putting the color in the bowl, guys. It's kind of hard. Now I only got one box left, so I don't want to spill it. Gotta get some more. If y'all want to get this color, Sally's, even eBay or Amazon, I get it in like bulk, like 3 at a time. It's like cheaper that way. So it's up to you. Or your local beauty supply store. Woo! And it's strong. Oh, it's strong. It's strong. This video might be up today or might be tomorrow because I want to style it for you guys. I just don't want to show it to you with me not doing it. I need to roller set it, but lately I just haven't been feeling like it. With this work and homework, honestly, it's just been kicking my behind. Like right now, I'm like physically tired, but the grind don't stop. You got to keep going, you know, to get what you want and get to where you need to go and where you need to be. So I'm proud of myself, you guys. I've been uploading a lot, even though I'm working full time. Son, school, homework, still doing my YouTube thing. Julius, I know he in there cutting up. I hear him. Hold up. Come on. Get away from my printer, boy. Alright. Got a color in here. Okay, so you're going to put your developer in there. I don't measure it. You guys don't do what I do. You can measure it. I just eye it until I feel like it's good. And I need this. I need to buy some new. Alright, I'm mixing it. Let me do it down here because I don't want to get it everywhere. Well, can you guys see that? Woo! You see, that's exactly what I'm talking about. Hold on, let me, because it's about to stain my white floors. Listen. This is what I'm telling you. You know what? Hold up. Let me put a towel down here. My dark towel. Yeah, if you get you a dark towel to step on it and wash it later. Let's see.
I've been thinking about you all day. Thinking about you feel like foreplay. I'ma do whatever you say, sexy. that I'm gon' take. If it's mine, and baby, don't play sexy, yeah. All I do is trip about the way you look when you ain't got no makeup on. Sexy. All I do is wish that it was me and you ain't have to ever go home. Sexy. Cause I'ma need it in my life. And baby girl, the thirst is real. Somebody feels so right. And I'm in love with how it make me feel. Can you tell me what it is you do? That be driving me so crazy. And can you tell me when you're coming through? Cause I need you, babe. It's the way you walk. It's the way you talk, yeah. The stylish clothes you wear. Sexy, so sexy. Sexy, so sexy. Sexy, so sexy. Yeah. Sexy, so sexy, yeah. Oh, baby got the drug like a dealer, and I'ma shoot it up like a killer. Original, so it probably costs more, cause they ain't none realer. If we could back it up, we make millions. Have to hide some of the cash up in the ceiling. Type of shit you got be having niggas and they feelin'. Type of shit you got every real nigga willin'. All I do is trip about the way you
Ow. Your girl is bad red. See, this is what I'm saying, y'all. Get y'all an old t-shirt because you're going to get messy. But look, you guys. And outside is more like red. This is a true red. I'm going to do wash and go because I'm getting ready to go out to dinner tonight. So, your girl, Roy said I just don't have the time. So I'm going to do a wash and go, take a shower. I'll put a shower cap on my head because I'm not washing it again so it can stay damp. Shower, get dressed, and I'll show you guys what everything looks like on the end. Alright, you guys, so this is it. It's red. So if you do it, you're going to be red just like me. And I get compliments all the time on this color and haircut, like constantly. I don't think you'll be disappointed if you do it. Send me a picture on Instagram, LadyJ_Julissa J. You'll see a picture of me. And send me a picture, you guys. Get you some red hair. Get you some red lip. Okay, I'm telling you, y'all, you're going to be lit. But I thank you so much for watching, supporting. You know what, guys? I just realized I have a dimple. Anyway, I love you. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.